Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig was sponsored by The Wig Company, so go ahead and watch me install this unit, and then come back and I'll give you my 34 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go!
I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? 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 I guess the only question that I have today for you is, do you feel the way that I do? It's been a long time now since we've been face to face, and I think it's kind of funny how we ended up in the same place. 'Cause I've been running round in circles looking for a taste of something different, something I don't want to waste. I guess the only question that I have today for you is, I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? 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 I guess the only question that I have today for you is, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? 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 I guess the only question that I have today for you is, do you feel the way that I do? It's been a long time now since we've been face to face, and I think it's kind of funny how we ended different, something I don't wanna waste. I guess the only question that I have today for you is, I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? 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 I guess the only question that I have today for you is, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? 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 I guess the only question that I have today for you is, do you feel the way that I do? It's been a long time now since we've been face to face, and I think it's kind of funny how we ended up in the same place. Cause I've been running around in circles looking for a taste of something different, something I don't wanna waste. I guess the only question that I have today for you is, I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? Do you feel the way that I do? Do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? been a long time now since we've been face to face, and I think it's kind of funny how we ended up in the same place.
Now that you watch me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about this joint right here. So thank you to the wig company for sending me over this unit to review for you guys. Authority on women's wigs. The wig company offers the newest and best-selling designs from premier brands like Raquel, Welch, Gabber, Hairdo, Tony Branton, just to name a few. The wig company's knowledge and credibility in the women's wig and hairpiece industry began in the 1960s. For 50 years, 4 generations of hair and beauty specialists. So again, thank you the wig company for sending me over this unit to review for you guys. And this unit I have in from the Raquel Welch's collection in the style Society. I have it in the color SS Cappuccino. So more about the cap construction. It has a head size of average. It has heat-friendly synthetic fibers. It has a lace front hairline, monofilament hand-tied hairs. Monofilament features means that each hair is tied to a soft lace material by hand. It mimics the appearance of hair growth from the scalp and helps the wig look much more natural. The wig has heat-friendly synthetic fibers. So yeah, that's more about the unit. There's more about the company. There's a 20% off special going on right now. And the wig might be a bit costly for some, but remember these units are an investment. So when you get them, you take care of them and they last rather longer. Thank you to the wig company for sending me over this unit. Thank you for entrusting me in giving you my review to my audience. And now to the review. I love this unit. I love this unit. It held curls beautifully. And the lace blends seamlessly into my scalp. I didn't even cut it off. It just blends seamlessly. And the only thing I used on there was my even tinted lace. That's what I used on there. For my curls, just to ensure that they held up, I used a Chi hairspray firm hold, and I used my Eben Wonder lace bond. So this is what I used on the unit. I did go ahead and put some foundation so the part could be more defined. And the unit is not big head friendly, but I'll say this. I don't know if it's because I don't have my hair braided down neatly underneath the wig cap. That's why it's poofing up, but it's not big head friendly for me. So I will try again by braiding my hair down like I usually do, and then try this unit again, and then I'll come back and let you guys know if it is big head friendly or if it was me that my hair was too thick underneath. But I will let you guys know that. But this is a great Valentine's Day look. A great Valentine's Day look. I'm loving this unit. I love the color. And again, the color I have is SS Cappuccino. I do think it's a 13 by 6. Because I do think you could part it all the way to down to here. And you still see like it's lace. Maybe 13 by 4. I'm sorry. So yeah, so you could part either side, middle part, you could do a half up, half down. It's just overall, it's a great unit. So again, thank you the wig company for sending me over this unit to review for my audience. And guys, don't forget to go ahead, if you're interested in the unit, check the link down in the description. They currently do have a 20% off going on right now, and it may not last. But what I would suggest is combining the 20% with the quad pay to get the price down. I believe to $75 a month. But don't hold me to it. Do your own research and, you know, get your investments however you need to get them, girl. Okay? Do you. So, if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and like the video, comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss next time I upload. I'll see you in the next wig. Bye, guys.